Today, we will speak about how to make fire in extreme situations. Life is nice, but everything can be changed in minutes. I has run from the war, so please be prepared. You can use different tools to make the fire. Some of them can be wet, some of them frozen. Easy to use, but not trustful. In every situation, it is good to have fire steel in your EDC bag, everyday carry bag. It will work in every weather. First, you should know how to find material in forest. Second, you should know some tricks how to use fire steel. Now we take wood and material from forest. First, take this bark of tree. It is like a paper, very easy. Second, you see these dry sticks and this dry material on sticks. We can use it easy. Clean snow a little before. Make small pieces. First, you see, fire steel should be long. Second, scratch a little to have more sparks. And now, very important, do it very hard and not very quickly. Less speed, more power. Don't give up, train a little. But if you are lack of experience, you can also have in your bag Vaseline and tampon. It is easy to make fire and you have it some long period. Follow me in our survival trip.